In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how we made $17,975 in commissions using YouTube for affiliate marketing. I'm going to cover the exact steps and the methods and strategies that actually worked for me. So you guys just need to copy and paste. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you can understand everything about this business. By the end of the video, I'm going to share some secrets that can help you scale your affiliate marketing business fast and so much more. Okay, and I made this commission just in one single month, in the month of December. Okay, as you can see over here, previous month, from the first day of December until the day 31. Okay, anyway, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. You just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and here you go. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. We will start promoting services as an affiliate marketers with Fiverr. Okay, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying some really good commissions. Okay, anyway, you guys can check this website to get idea. Just if you want to join, click here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to choose good services that you will promote, that you will start promoting on YouTube. How you can choose good services? Step number two, go and open your YouTube homepage. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has billions of traffic. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and you are following those steps that I'm sharing with you. You guys can see here that YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number. Every single day, millions of people use YouTube to search for services, for products, for topics, and so much more. Okay, and let me show you what you will do next. Go and open your YouTube homepage like this and click on the search and ask question. For example, you will ask how to edit YouTube, for example, videos. And here you go. You guys can see, you just need to ask question here and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for how to edit YouTube videos for your phone, how to edit YouTube videos on CapCut, how to edit YouTube videos on laptop. Those people who are searching for those topics, they will be interested to buy video editing service. So if we go back to Fiverr, go back to your homepage on Fiverr, click on the search for video editing, this one. Okay, I want you to pay close attention in this step. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check their reviews. If those sellers has a good experience, they have good skills in editing YouTube videos, those people who search for video editing, they will also buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. Okay, so let me choose for example one of those sellers. Like, let me see, we can see like this one. I will edit, you guys can see this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, you can see here, and almost 5 star. but let me see if we can find more. We have also this one. You guys can see this one have over 1,000 reviews, which is really good. Like this one is good, and this one also is good. Over 1,000 reviews. Okay, so for example, let's pick this one. Okay, this one is starting from $50, which is really good. I will click on this one. This one is providing fast delivery, can edit videos just in 24 hours, which is good. I will choose this one. Just click on the service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see the seller has 2 orders in queue and over 2,000 people, over 2,000 reviews, meaning that over 2,000 people paid for this service. Which people will buy video editing service? Which people? Of course, only those people who are searching for how to edit videos, and people who has YouTube channels and they want to grow their YouTube channels. They want to get more views. That's why they are searching for those topics. Okay, those people will be interested to buy the service from you. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so here is what you will do next. You will go back to this seller profile page. Okay, scroll down. This seller has a video. Let's check. Hey, I'd like you to meet. So this seller is providing this service, as you can see. This video explaining his service. Okay, video animation, graphic design. It's showing to people how he has 5 years of experience, which is good, and so much more. Okay, you see. Okay, so what you will do next, you will double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, and save this video to your laptop, and that's it. Let me show you. Okay, click over here on save, and here you go. The video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Search for this website, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and click on YouTube video. Let me show you. Here you go, over here, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, what you will do next, you will click here on upload, click on upload file, and just upload the video that you download from Fiverr, this one about video editing service. Click on open, and here you go. The video will be uploading to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Let me show you. Okay, you see, super easy and simple. So I will click over here on these 3 points and I will click on set the video as background, and here you go. Click over here on text. Okay, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. Just make sure to use good one that looks clear and good, like this one. Just click on the text and I will delete this one. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna delete the second one and decrease the font size of this text like this, and put this text here and double click and write this sentence: check my website in description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, and here you go. Check my website in description. Click on elements. Okay, click on elements over here, and what you will do next, just scroll down. Let me show you, and go over here to shapes and choose this one. Just click on this one, and here you go. Put this shape behind your text like this to make your text looks clear and good. Okay, and here you go. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this: check my website in description. Okay, so let's see now. So the video now is good. Click on share and click over here. Let me show you. Click on download and the video will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, So you should see here download, click on download. The video will be downloaded into your laptop. Go to YouTube, open a YouTube channel and upload. Click over here and upload the video to your YouTube channel. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you can't see this option Fiverr step a old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years. I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go back to your YouTube channel and put this affiliate link in your YouTube description. Use those keywords, how to edit YouTube videos exactly like this. You should use those keywords that people are using to search for this topic. Okay, so because what you need to do, let me show you. If we search for how to edit YouTube videos, you need, this is what you need to do, is you need to try to rank your videos high in the search result. If you can do this, if you can use good SEO, and you can rank your videos like this in the first page, and your videos will get views from YouTube search, you will turn those views into a traffic to your affiliate link, and you can make so much money with this business model. Okay, like this, your videos should rank like this. Okay, should rank in the first page. If you want to create your own content, you can use it. If you want to use those Fiverr affiliate videos, those Fiverr videos from those sellers, please make sure to upload those videos as Creative Commons so you cannot get any copyright issue with YouTube, and use those titles, use good SEO, and try to rank your videos in the search result. If you can do it, you can make so much money from this business. And if you upload a lot of videos, it's gonna be a passive income. If you stop at working for a while, those videos will keep getting views. You guys look at this one, for example, like this one. You guys can see this video was uploaded 1 year ago and it's still getting 55 view per hour. Okay, so you can imagine if this, I don't know, if this YouTuber put an affiliate link of video editing service in his description, he can make so much money every single day. Okay, and you have a lot. Look, you just need to rank your videos like this in the search result. Okay, you just need to use good keywords. Okay, you see, people are ranking, people are getting so crazy views on YouTube, and you can turn those views into a traffic to your affiliate links, and you can make so much money with this business model. And you don't have just video editing, you have a lot of services. YouTube is my best traffic source for me. I'm getting a lot of traffic from YouTube because you can start multiple YouTube channels. You cannot just have one channel, you can create 5, 10. But of course, as a beginner, you should start just with one YouTube channel. Okay, this is exactly how I'm making like this commissions every single month. I'm not using just YouTube, I'm using TikTok, Instagram, and Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and so much more, and Pinterest. That's how I'm getting like these commissions every single month, over $15,000 per month with free traffic. I created a course. I do have an affiliate course for people who are asking. Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Inside my course, you will get access to all my profitable affiliate services that I'm promoting on YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, show you how you can create content and so much more. You can create an affiliate website and so much more. If you are interested, you can reach out to me. Also, those methods that I'm sharing with you guys on YouTube, you can see, you know that they are clear, and of course they will work. Okay, but if you are focusing on free traffic, you should know that it takes time. Okay, I'm not here to tell you that this is a quick way to make money online. Of course not. You might get lucky and get some commissions from your first week, but usually it takes time. Okay, this business takes time because we are focusing on free traffic. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.